equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean workspace will help ensure the longevity of your new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any wires. Once disconnected, use your pliers to remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws holding the motor down. With the screws removed, gently lift the motor out of the compartment. Take your new motor and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing the connectors back together until you hear a click. This ensures a secure connection. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the cover back onto the motor compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Finally, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into place until it clicks. Your Dyson SV12 should now be ready for use. If you need assistance or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Test your vacuum to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We are here to assist you with any vacuum repairs you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.